Hello, in this video we're gonna replace the fan of this laptop. The model is Asus M509D. The customer complains that the laptop makes some weird noises and he wants the fan replaced, so it will be a straightforward job, I hope. He says he opened it a few times, so one of the screws is missing. So let's start. We're gonna remove all the screws on the back and we should be able to lift the back cover. I'm gonna put the model into the description of the video. The lower screws are shorter and the middle one is a little bit longer than the others. Keep that in mind. Now let's open this. Use something sharp, of course. Like this. This is the fan. This is the cooler. He wants me to replace the thermal paste, so since we opened the laptop, we're gonna replace it. First, of course, disconnect the battery. Always do this because you may short something by accident. I have done it. It's not very nice thing to do. Let's see, is this with a thermal paste? Yeah, it's with a thermal paste. So we're gonna clean the old paste. This is a massive cooling. Now to remove the paste from the CPU, I usually use a dry Q-tip. This way the old paste sticks very nice and it doesn't make any mess around the board. After that we put some alcohol and then clean the rest. Like this. Let me clean the cooler with alcohol also. This is a huge cooler, you know, very efficient. Now we're gonna put, I'm using Arctic cooling, Arctic MX4, which is a pretty good paste. Don't put too much, otherwise you're gonna do a mess, and next time when you clean it, it will be way harder. Just spread it like this. Move it a little bit left to right in order to get even, and then just put the screws back. Don't tie them till the end, just put the screws so the cooler kit can be placed evenly, and then tie them one by one. Now let's replace the fan. We have to take out the Wi-Fi cable. We have 3 screws. Well, it's working okay, I think, but since the customer decided that's the new fan, don't forget to connect it, of course, otherwise you have to repeat the procedure. Yeah, the fan is connected. We have to put the cable back. Always tie the hinges, of course. Like this. The customer connected the fan the wrong way around. We'll see. We have to connect the battery, of course. Let's plug it to see do we have a battery. We have lights. We have to wait a little bit because we reset the BIOS, I think. Yeah, we have a picture. The CPU is hot. I don't know what's the idea of this fan at all, but either way, that's the whole procedure basically. Right now I'm gonna put all the screws back. That's the boring part. I won't keep you any longer. That's the whole procedure. Now you know how to replace the fan of this Asus model. I hope you liked the video. That's it for now. Bye bye.